Welcome to our video series for Magestore solution. In this series, I'll walk you through our retail management PWA, which gives your stores the flexibility to manage inventory, purchasing, and fulfillment without accessing to the Magento backend. In this part, you'll see how easy it is to set up a new user and device and how you can run inventory operation from our PWA.
Okay, so first we'll go to Dashboard Magento, and here you can find a retail management menu. You can see manage role, admin, manage staff setting, supplier, and application. So first we will have to create the staff to log into the inventory app. First click on add staff. We create the username and password. So here you can see you can select the source. So for example, you have maybe 3 warehouse, so you can limit the staff to only able to log in the warehouse he is working, or maybe he's a supervisor, then he can log into both the warehouse here. Okay, so next let's go to the app, retail management, and go to retail management application. And here we'll use the password and username we have created into the sort to login. To go to the setting section, and here you can see the name and email of the account, and you can reset up the password for this account. So let's talk about the inventory function. There's 4 parts of them, and you can see management, count, movement, and unit of measure. So first let's talk about unit of measure. First, you can choose to use this function or not. Just remember that when you are using it and you turn it off and you turn it on again, it will remove all the old data from your previous use, so make sure to be careful. So what is the unit of measure? Maybe it's mass, it's length, or unit. You can see when we create a unit of measure type, we can create the unit of measure for them. You can see here I set up the gram, the kilograms, the tons, and we also have the conversion rate. It will be most used for the next application for the purchase management. And next, let's go to inventory management. Here you can see the SKU, the product name, the in-stock quantity, incoming and threshold, measure, and action. Let's click on to view the detail, and here you can change the quantity of the product, and we choose the unit of measure type for this product. The stock URM here, the stock unit of measure here, it means that, for example, you have 100 quantity on the backend Magento, and in reality you have 100, for example here, 100 grams of that product. The purchase URM will be used to convert when you make the purchase later in the purchase management app, but not in this app. And next will be one of the most important functions in warehouse management. So stock taking or inventory count is an important process for managing warehouse to make sure you are having the same quantity in cost and reality. We can filter here. So our function will make the process far more efficient, far more accurate, saving a lot of time for your staff from manually paperwork, and increase the accuracy with the strict process. So let me go through this. So first we'll add the reason for this count. Then you can see here we can add the product to counting by scanning, by add it manually as this, Yeah, click on this and select the product. Or we can also import the product from the CSV file. Yeah, you can download the template and then import again. So let's try scanning some barcode. So you can either manually paste the barcode into that text box, or you can use a real barcode scanner and scan the barcode in reality. This product has been added to the list, so it won't add again. So let's remove it and let's add it again. Okay, so you can print the list and give the staff so they can count on hand. There are two ways of counting. Maybe your staff can scan the barcode like this, and each time you scan, yeah, the product will get its counted quantity increased by 1. Means that you have count 1 items. Or you can just input the real number like this. For example, the quantity is too much, so maybe your staff just want to input it, don't want to scan for each item. In case that there are difference, we can enter the reason for the difference, and we can also filter the product. Yeah, let's save it first, and you can see. So we can filter it by no difference, filter what product are having more stock than reality, what product are having less stock than reality. And after we finish with counting, we click on complete counting. Yeah, you can export the file to check it again. In case that you are not satisfied with the result, or you think there must be something wrong, you can just click back to counting. Yeah, and then you can change the result again, then complete counting again. And in case that you want to change the difference to reflect on your Magento stock immediately, you can click on complete and adjust. And if you click on complete, there should be no change to the stock. Yeah, you can click on the button here to check it, see the general information. And finally, one important function is the inventory movement history, and here you can see all of the movement, how the stock had changed for each product. For example, one day you see that this product suddenly only maybe 2 left in the store, and you want to know why it's depleting so fast. Then you can use the inventory movement history. Then you can see it has been modified manually by hand, on hand, or it has been sold, or it has been count.
Now you have access to all inventory information without accessing Magento backend, so you can work faster. To learn more about MailStore solution, be sure to check out the other videos in the demo series. In the next part, we will explore how you can forecast reordering quantity and simplify your purchasing process.